So guys, today it is Rs3 MOT day. A few things we need to get done first. I need to fill up the washer fluid and also put my number plate back on, else I ain't gonna pass.
Let's go.
Been absolutely pissing it down all morning, really heavy. It's just stopped, so I need to make the most of this time now and get that all done before I get soaked. I'm hoping I can find some more adhesive sticky pads, as I need some for the brackets, but don't know where I can find any. Bingo. I think that's where I'm going to put it. Or does it need to go higher? That's it higher up. I don't know what looks better, you know. Maybe there? Nah, I'm definitely going to leave it there for now. But anyway, next, lift up the bonnet and put some washer fluid in, because I've literally got nothing left. Something I've been meaning to do for a while, guys, is this, annoyingly, this rubber seal that should sit on the inside of the carbon box on the 034 Motorsport intake keeps slipping off, and it's going to start rubbing the actual carbon on the underside of the hard pipe. So I'm going to quickly take the cone out, take this seal off and put a little bit of 10-second glue on the inside of the rubber seal so it always stays and won't slip off the actual ring itself, the opening hole. So I'm going to take that off quickly, glue it up, and it should be much better. Alright, let's take two. It just pissed it down. I've managed to fix all the Jubilee clips back on. That glue worked a treat. That doesn't have any movement in it at all now. So that pipe shouldn't pull the rubber seal out again. As you can see, much better. So I think we're ready to go. Wash fluid's done, number plate's on. So that's the MOT bits you need to get done. And also I've managed to sort that seal. So it's a few things ticked off. My actual MOT is until 2:30. It's currently 1:30. So I'm gonna have something to eat, have a quick coffee. I might even get some GoPro shots on the way there, some first person clips. Don't know, it's crap weather, so it might not be worth it. But if not, I'll see you at the test centre, so see you shortly. So, as you can see, it's pissing it down again as soon as I get in the car. As you can see, 8V vents looking absolutely sick. If you haven't seen that video, guys, click the top right corner of the screen and I'll put a link there on how I installed these. Fully functioning 8V vents, and they work flipping brilliantly. Mint. So I am off to my local Quick Fit. It's the cheapest place for me to get an MOT. I get to use my dad's blue light discount card, which is ideal, so it's like 30 quid for an MOT. The only doubts I've got, this has never failed an MOT and it's never had an advisory on any MOT. I know when I last took it to get serviced at Audi, they said there's a little bit of corrosion on the rear arms, which is normal. I doubt it would be a advisory at any point. It's not to the point where it's going to cause risk, or it's not rotting enough to be an issue, basically. The only thing that is on the back of my mind is obviously my secondary decats. I wouldn't have fitted them if I didn't think they were road legal. But because there's no lambda sensor, there's no sensors in the secondary cats that provides information to the MOT tester about emissions, because that's all done by the primary cat in the downpipe. So everyone's car passes MOT with secondary decats installed, so that's why I've done it, for a bit more noise, and it's road legal. But obviously, because you technically put a decat on your car, it's not technically normally for road use, so we'll see, but it should be fine. This rain is crap. Seen the state of this? Don't particularly want to go down there. Are you stupid? What the hell? It's ridiculous. Shallow in the middle. There's my brake. And here we are, Quick Fit. Am I in disabled bay? I think I'm in a disabled bay, you know? Was there a sign on the floor? Yeah, disabled only. I'll check in and I'll move it. So they've got the car straight up on the ramps. Hopefully it shouldn't be much more than an hour. I might take a little stroll because it's going to be boring. So results are in. It's failed, which is really annoying. They failed me on, if you've seen my video or my car recently in any video, you will know that my front left daytime running light is gone. And because it also acts as a side light, it's classed as a fail. Also, my rear indicators, apparently one of the bulbs is a slightly different colour from the other yellow bulb. For that reason, it's a fail, which I wouldn't think it would fail on, but apparently because one is more white than the other, it fails. But thankfully, it's just some lights that can be sorted. Annoyingly, the headlight's going to be about 300 quid, but I knew I needed to buy one anyway. and an advisory brake pads, but I was aware of that anyway. So that's not an issue. But it is just a bit of an inconvenience. I honestly didn't think it was going to fail. I'm surprised that they failed me on the daytime running light, but I suppose seeming it acts as a daytime running light, it acts as a side light, sorry. I suppose it's a necessary light to have on the car running. Hey ho, gonna go to Halfords, get some rear bulbs, go home and order a new headlight. So I'm finally home again. I've bought some Halfords indicators, so I'll get those fitted shortly. So I'm about to go inside now, buy a replacement headlight unit so it passes MOT. So hopefully that'll come, I don't know, give it a week maybe. We'll get that installed, probably film that as well, and it should pass MOT, guys. So unfortunately it wasn't the outcome I wanted, but it is what it is. So without further ado, guys, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.